Revered as the father of Muay Thai, Khanom Tom was a Thai prisoner of war in Burma. A challenge was set by his captors. He stepped forth and dispatched 10 of their prized fighters, earning a royal pardon and a timeless legacy. Prepare a Thai basil leaf garnish. Chill a coupe and put to one side. Slap a handful of Thai basil leaves into the palm of your hand and add into a cocktail shaker. The exotic flavors of vanilla and Coco Lopez work beautifully together. They are balanced by the natural acidity of fresh lime juice and passion fruit puree. Chalong Bay is a handcrafted French agricole-style rum from Phuket, brimming with complex notes of pepper, nutmeg, vanilla, toffee, and licorice. Created by Charles Tanqueray in 1830, Tanqueray London Dry Gin is made today according to the same recipe using 4 perfectly balanced botanicals: juniper, coriander, angelica, and licorice. Fill with cubed ice and shake for 10 seconds. Open. Dip taste. Discard ice from the coupe. Fine strain. Position the Thai basil leaf on top of the cocktail. Rinse equipment and replace. Present and serve.